This lecture provides clarity on local variables and parameters. Every method, that may be instance method or static method, can have local variables and parameters. All the variables that are created inside the method body are called as local variables. Local variables are initialized and used inside the same method itself. And whenever you declare a variable inside the brackets of the method, that is called parameter. The parameters are the variables that can receive the value from the calling portion of the method. That means while calling the method, you can pass an argument value. That value will be received into the parameter automatically. A method can have multiple parameters. So while calling the method, you must supply the value for all those parameters. At that time, the first value will be assigned into the first parameter, second value will be assigned into the second parameter, and so on. So based on the sequence, the argument values will be assigned into the parameters respectively. Both local variables and parameters are the short-lived. They are stored inside the stack. So every time when you call the method, a new stack will be created for that method. In that stack, all the local variables and parameters of the particular method will be stored. And once the method execution is completed, the stack will be deleted automatically. That means all the local variables and parameters that are stored inside that stack will be deleted automatically. In that way, the local variables and parameters are the short-lived. They can exist till end of the method execution only. And for every parameter, you require to specify the type. The type of the parameter can be anything. It can be any primitive or non-primitive type. Primitive types are int, float, double, decimal, etc. And the non-primitive types can be structure, class, interface, etc. So parameters are the variables that are being received from the method caller to the method definition. Parameters are stored inside the stack. Every time when you call the method, a new stack will be created. Local variables are the variables which are additionally declared inside the method body. This is the overview of local variables and parameters. Suppose, for example, you take the set method. In the set method, we are receiving an integer value. So this variable called value is an example of parameter because it is able to receive the value from the method caller. That means whatever the value that you have passed here, that is 1001 in this case, will be received into the parameter automatically. So this is an example of parameter. And in the same way, in the calculate tags method, we have already created a local variable. So overall, we have already implemented the parameters and local variables in our application. These local variables and parameters will be stored in the stack of the particular method. So in the stack of calculate tags, the local variable t will be stored. And in the stack of set product id, the parameter called value will be stored. This is all about parameters and local variables. In the next lecture, we will understand this keyword.